beautiful people. My name is Bridget and this is Azrael. Come on, look at your pretty eyes. Come on, show the camera. There you go. So today's video is going to be a double makeup subscription box unboxing. Sometimes I have trouble saying that, but I nailed it today. Double makeup subscription box unboxing. Yeah. So today we're doing the Medusas Makeup box for December 2019 as well as the Bijou Beauty box for December 2019. Both of these boxes are cruelty-free boxes and the Medusas Makeup box is vegan. The Bijou Beauty box is not advertised as a cruelty-free or vegan box, but I've never had anything not cruelty-free in here. So today we're going to box both of these boxes. Are December boxes, so maybe we'll get some Christmassy stuff. I mean, I personally hope not because I don't like Christmas like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to today's video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started with the Medusas Makeup box for the month. This box is so cute. I love the little pink graffiti box. I also love when they have like the lavender box with like the girl on it. So pretty. Now Medusas Makeup box always contains their own brand, which like Medusas Makeup is its thing on its own. And they also have a subscription box every month, which I feel like some people are confused about. Oh my god, once in a while. So this is what happens when you open up the box. It's got a cute little bag with that girl. I was just talking about the lavender box. This is the design on it. That is so cute. That's so cute. It's so cute. So this is the first thing in here. We have a little makeup bag and it says Medusas Makeup with their logo on the back. This is really cute. It's like a canvasy material. Yeah, diving right on in. This is really cute. That's cute. And it's like an indie brand and they have like their own little makeup bag. That's just so cute. I'm happy for them. So in here we have the card that tells us the retail prices of everything. I'll also leave the retail prices of these items on the screen for you so you know how much it's worth. Now, this has the Holiday Glam series on it. It says, ooh, this bag is sustainable, washable, and vegan. Really cool. I didn't even think about the bag being vegan. So it says coming in 2020, there's going to be featured brands, Korean face mask, nail polish, perfume, liquid matte lipstick, cheek sticks, duochromes, themed boxes, and much more. So it's really advertising like next year's stuff, and then also shows us what's in this month's bag. I'm excited for 2020 for them. Korean face masks, like it's a vegan box. I didn't know if Korean stuff was vegan. Like I'm always offered like Korean products to like try on my channel and unbox and get sponsorships from, but I've never taken any because I don't know if products from Korea or are vegan. Like animal testing is not required there, but it's hard to find information on them stuff, so I don't know. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on into the box. Let's go for this first thing, which is like a little big thing. So this says Luminous on it. It's a highlighter hotel, it says. So it looks like it's a really pink box. I like the pink box. I love these little, I'm going to leave these linked down below because these are like my obsession. They lock, so you can lock them open, or I just kind of like slide it and use it. They're like little box cutters. I bought a pack off Amazon. And I put them everywhere. There's one in my car, there's one at my desk, there's one in here. I have one at my friend's house that I like send all my packages to for PR and stuff. I keep them everywhere. And I also have like two in like my little toolbox. I'm not going to get this open without breaking it, am I? Nope. Okay. Well, it's too tight in the box. Like I gotta tear the box to get it open. Like I love these little box cutter things. They're so cute. They come in different colors. I keep like a pink one in my desk, a blue one in my car. Like they're so cute. It was like the best purchase ever. I need to make like a video on like Amazon purchases that I love because I love Amazon. I just love the free shipping, like when you have Prime and stuff, and 2-day shipping, or here in Jacksonville because Amazon is in Jacksonville. There's like an Amazon warehouse. We get 1-day shipping sometimes. It's awesome. Okay, so this is the highlighter. This is a really light, cute highlighter, and it is in the shade Highlighter Hotel. It's luminous. I'm gonna swatch this for you because it's really pretty. It looks a little bit gray, but it doesn't look ugly or anything. Oh, it's pinky. It looks pinky on my finger. Can we see that? Let's go ahead and swatch this right here. So this is what the highlight, it is pinky. It looks kind of like gray in the container, but even though the pink, I guess because the pink container doesn't make it look pink, it looks kind of gray in there, but it's so pinky. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so this is the first thing in here is a highlighter. This retails for $13. Really cute. I love this one. I don't know if I've ever had a highlighter from Medusas Makeup before. I've had their blushes and stuff. I've never had a highlighter from them. Hope they send out more because that's really cute. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing in here. I see a boxy with an owl on it. I love owls. They're such cute animals. They're so cute. There's an Oddities Expo in Orlando I really wanted to go to on Friday the 13th. But I'm not going myself, you know? So this is, ooh, I don't know what this is. It's a mystical eye dust. We get a lot of their like little pigments and stuff in these boxes, which a lot of people enjoy. But this is a new container I've never seen before. I'll show you what the normal one looks like. So normally their eye dust come in this little clear container. This is normally what their eye dust looks like. This is so much cooler. Is this their new container? This is so cute. It's like nice. Like this, there's nothing wrong with this. I have no problem with the clear pigment. You can see the pigment on the inside. But like this is a nice container. Am I just entertained by packaging today? Okay, so this one's open a little bit. It is a dark purple glitter pigment, which is matched to the purple cap. And then you can see in here, it's just a really dark, dusty purple shade. So this is the next thing here. I think these retail for $8. This one retails for $11.95. Next up in here we have a brush. We've gotten these brushes before in the Bijou box, which is the box we're doing next. But this is a little vegan eye brush. This is a blending brush. It has like clear glitter sparkles of blue and purple in here. And this is the brush itself. It's like a dome top blender. This brush retails for $8, which I think is pretty much standard for a little blender eye brush. And it's being an indie brand, I'm not mad at that price. And if it comes in a box, like I'm always way happier with it because you're getting a good value in a box. But this is the little brush, and we have one thing left. So lastly in here is from Foxy Bay. I'm not familiar with this brand. Usually I've never had this brand before. It's a special guest. Okay, so it's a special guest in the box. This retails for $5.99, which I think is decent for an indie brand and being this cute little small compact size. I love the packaging with the black, white, and pink. Like I love black, white, and pink. This is a leave-in conditioner from Flamingo Glow. Love that name, Flamingo Glow. Cute. Leave-in cream conditioner with biotin, sulfate, and paraben free, which is awesome because I only use sulfate and paraben free products in my hair. I'm definitely going to try this out and let you guys know what I think. This packaging is so cute though. It feels like a lot of product in here. Like this thing is full to the top. So I'm excited to try this out. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and go over everything that we got in the Medusas Makeup box for December 2019. We have this little leave-in conditioner, which is super cute. We have a little blender brush. We have a highlighter, which I'm really into. It's super pink. I love pink highlighter. And we also have a eye pigment and a makeup bag. I almost forgot the makeup bag. It's like the cutest thing in here. So personally, I'm excited about this one. There's nothing in here I wouldn't use. I'm not the biggest fan in the world of loose glitter pigments. But like I'm not mad about it. So overall, really good month for Medusas Makeup. I'm actually thinking this is one of their best months. I really like it, and I'm excited about trying a highlighter and having a bag. Like that's pretty awesome. Anyways, let's move on to the Bijou Beauty Box for December 2019. Alright, for the Bijou Beauty Box, this one's heavy. It's heavy. Usually it's like a bigger, thicker box. I like a smaller box, easier and compact. This one's heavy though. And I do have a note about this box. So I did get messaged by Bijou Beauty Box after my review video last month with their box, because I do this every month, and there was something wrong with the that ass mask, like butt mask. So there is a replacement for that in this month's box. Just want to point that out in case you see it twice and you're like, what's that about? Apparently there's something wrong with that batch, so they sent a replacement this month. So let's get into it. Okay, so inside the box we have our little card here. It's December. There's 5 products in here, and it tells you the retail prices. I will also leave the retail prices on the screen for you. It also says Happy Holidays in the box, which is cute, and there's a little gumdrop sticker holding it together. So, okay, ton of paper in here. If I ever need paper, you guys, I'm going to start like hoarding. I'm thinking because I get a lot of packages and stuff, like I buy a lot of stuff. I do a lot of subscription boxes and unboxings and stuff. I'm going to start hoarding like a box of loose paper, a box of tissue paper, and a box of bubble wrap so I can reuse it instead of like keep buying bubble wrap. I buy a lot of bubble wrap when I sell stuff on Poshmark and stuff. So like I need to like save it. Let's save the stuff I already have and reuse it. So this first thing is like a little, a small sheet mask. It's a Make My Ex Wanna Get It Back. It's a CBD activated charcoal sheet mask. It's vegan and cruelty free. I like the black packaging, it's kind of nice, but it's a little sheet mask in here. It feels like a circle. It feels like a circle. It's kind of hard. For a sheet mask, it's kind of hard. Oh, I guess I have to add water to it. I'm done. Okay, that's the first thing, and here's a little sample thing. Next up in here is a makeup baggy thing. Oh, it's brushes. Okay. So this is a Lola, I can't read this font, Loha, Love and Happiness little brush set here. Let's open this up so we can see the brushes. It's rare we get like a brush set. You usually get like a brush or like 2 brushes. In subscription boxes, like a brush set is a little bit more rare. It does happen, but it's not that often, and especially wrapped up like this. This is nice, and I love pink. So, oh, it's a whole brush set. Oh, it's like a whole brush set. So here is the brushes itself. This retails for $36, which is about what I would expect. It's very thick candles. These thick candles with the little jewelies on it. These are so cute though. These are so cute. So there's a whole roll of brushes. Like, this is super convenient. I love the pink thing. How many brushes do you get in here? Let me count. It's 10 brushes in here. 10 brushes. That's a lot. And I'm actually thinking about this little eyebrow brush here because it looks really thin and precise. And your girl's always looking for a good eyebrow brush. So this is the first thing in here, besides the little sample sheet mask. It's a whole brush set. That's a lot. Alright, so next up in here, I see the replacement, that ass butt mask. It is CBD and Peach Booty Scrub. So this is it. We've seen this before. Okay, so like, a couple of you guys like made jokes about this when it was in my box, and I was confused by it too, because I've never heard of a butt mask before, and I was thinking about it, right? And I'm like, maybe it's like, let's say you're like me and you just wear a long shirt all day and you don't, or a dress, and you don't really wear pants. You just walk in your house, or you're home alone and you don't have to wear anything at all. And like, maybe it just like tightens and firms your skin around the butt area, which I feel like is really needed for like me especially. But like, I'm like, oh, that's weird. I guess I could just walk around, do dishes, or do errands and stuff for like 10 minutes while I leave it on. I'm like, oh, that's a weird product. But I'm also kind of like, but if it works though, because, you know, if it works, I'll be into it, even if it is weird to do. Anyways, it's a weird product. Let's move on to the next thing in here. So the next thing in here is a cup. Oh, it's a sponge. I'm so stupid. This is an Angel adult video ready beauty sponge. This is very, there's a butt mask and like a adult video ready sponge in here. It's like an adult December. I don't hate that. I don't hate that at all. So this retails for $5.55. It's an Angel Classes beauty sponge. So this is it. It's a cute container. Super cute container. Completely my aesthetic. It's like very dark, and I have a very dark aesthetic other than this little setup here. So let's get it open. How do I open it? How am I supposed to get it open? There's like no way for me to open this. Am I going crazy? There's no opening for me. I want to feel it. Okay, it feels like a regular beauty sponge. Like, it's not too dense. That's something I worry about with a lot of sponges I haven't heard of before. It's usually like really dense. It doesn't smell like anything either. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but this is super, super cute, and it has like a good bounce back to it. So this is the next thing here, $5.55, reasonable price, and I love the packaging. Next up is like a spray bottle. I love a good spray. We love a mist on this channel. There's a piece of... Okay, so this is a Blue Tansy and Rose Hip Mist. Soothe, Balance, and Hydrate from Iconic Beauty Los Angeles. Is it a setting spray? Oh, no. Okay, it's an after makeup mist. So, directions: to mist onto face after cleansing to tone skin. Mist throughout the day to refresh skin. Awesome. So you can use this on top of makeup too. I kind of use these mists like after. I use the Milky Mist from Pixie a lot. Is like after I wash my face and everything, I'll just spray something for a little bit of extra hydration or like a good toner. And I want to smell this toner because the last toner I got in the Boxy Premium was like really rose scented. This one smells blue. How does that, like, blue isn't a scent. I don't know. It doesn't smell like anything I know how to describe. It's not a super overwhelming scent. It's not super fruity. It's not super bitter. I don't know how to describe this scent besides Blue Tansy. But this is the next thing in here. This retails for, oh, $18. I was looking for like mist. It just says Iconic Beauty LA. It retails for $18. So next up in here is something like flat-ish. Flat. So this is a palette. It's a palette. It's from Iconic Beauty LA too. So this is a downtown palette. I haven't heard of this before. So this retails for, open up, $24, which is a reasonable price palette. Ooh. Okay, I know what this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be that Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. This is the palette. I don't have the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I don't have a dupe for it either, so if I wanted to try that color scheme, this is definitely something I would try. I'm intrigued by that palette, but I'm not a big purple eyeshadow wearer, despite today's look. But this is the palette. It's really pretty. This is really pretty. I'm not going to swatch it just in case I decide to give it away to someone, but this is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And $24, like, I'm not mad at that. Like, a regular Huda Beauty palette's like $65. That's craziness. This is really pretty. It's really pretty. Alright, besides me going like, this is super pretty, let's go over everything that we got in this month's box. So we had this beautiful palette from Iconic London called the Downtown Palette with a full brush set with 10 brushes and a brush case. We have a little sample, well, it's not a sample, it's a sheet mask. It's just small. We have a That Earth butt mask. We have a little spray here, toner spray, and we have a beauty sponge. So overall, this is like a lot of products for 1 month. This is a lot. Like, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good month. Anyways, I am not disappointed with either one of these boxes. Honestly, these two boxes have been doing really well lately. Like, honestly, subscription boxes in general lately have not been disappointing me too much. There was 1 or 2 months with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and with the BoxyCharm that I was kind of like about. These two boxes and most boxes in general lately have been doing pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. What's that? It was like Ipsy Ultimate people said sucked. I'm really glad I didn't upgrade to that. I still have the Glam Bag Plus subscription, so like I'm glad I did the Ultimate because people said that was really bad, but I might upgrade to it if it like steps up their game because I heard the second month of it was pretty good. Anyways, you guys, Orion and I have to go, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The kisses! And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!